Hey everyone, I trust you are all doing great. I am back with another chapter of our book, and today we are talking about magical relationship. And so let's read. Imagine if you were the only person on earth. You would have no desire to do anything. What would be the point in creating a painting if no one could see it? What would be the point in composing music if no one could hear it? What would be the point in inventing anything if there was no one to use it? There would be no reason to move from one place to another because wherever you went would be the same as where you were. No one would be there. There would be no pleasure or joy in your life. It's your contact and experiences with other people that give your life joy, meaning, and purpose. Because of that, your relationships affect your life more than anything else. To receive the life of your dreams, it's vital that you understand how your relationships affect your life now and how they are the most powerful channels for gratitude to start magically changing your life. Science is now confirming the wisdom of the great sages of the past, with research studies showing that people who practice gratitude have closer relationships, are more connected to family and friends, and have other people look upon them favorably. But probably the most outstanding statistic that has come out of research studies is that for every one complaint about another person, whether in thought or word, they have to be 10 blessings for the relationship to flourish. Any less than 10 blessings for every one complaint and the relationship will deteriorate. And if the relationship is a marriage, it will most likely end in divorce. Gratitude makes relationship flourish. As you increase your gratitude for any relationship, you will magically receive an abundance of happiness and good things in that relationship. And the gratitude for your relationships doesn't change only your relationship. It also changes you. No matter what your temperament is now, gratitude will give you more patience, understanding, compassion, and kindness to the point where you won't even recognize yourself. The little irritations you once felt and the complaints you had in your relationships will disappear, because when you are truly grateful for another person, there's nothing you want to change about that person. You won't criticize, complain about, or blame them because you are too busy being grateful for the good things about them. In fact, you won't even be able to see the things you used to complain about. We can only be said to be alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures. This is a quote by Thornton Wilder. He was a writer. Words are very powerful. So when you complain about any person, you actually harm your life. It is your life that will suffer. By the law of attraction, whatever you think or say about another person, you bring to you. This is the very reason why the greatest minds and teachers of the world have told us to be grateful. They knew that for you to receive more in your life, for your life to magically increase, you have to be grateful for others just as they are. What if every person close to you said, "I love you," just the way you are? How would you feel? So that's a question. Today's magical practice is being grateful for people just as they are. Even if all of your relationships are currently good, they will increase with more magnificence through this practice. And with everything you find to be grateful for in each person, you will see gratitude perform its breathtaking magic. And your relationships will be stronger, more fulfilling, and more enriching than you ever thought they could be. Choose 3 of your closest relationships to be grateful for. You might choose your wife, your son, your father, your boyfriend, whoever you feel like choosing. Sorry. You can choose any 3 relationships that are important to you, as long as you have a photograph of each person. The photograph can be just of the person or both of you together. Once you have selected your 3 relationships and photographs, you are ready to set the magic into motion. So this is the practice we should be doing, right? We are at the point where we should start doing the practice of the day. So here is it. What are the things you love most about this person? What are their best qualities? So you should be thinking and asking yourself, why deba de na mpe woni pa we ho, deba de no yam e mama nije, deba de na ne qualities ene de he, and all that. You could be grateful for their patience, ability to listen, talent, strength, good judgment, wisdom, love, sense of humor, eyes, smile, whatever you feel like being grateful for, right? Because they are there and so you decide whatever you feel grateful for about that person. Okay, after you've spent some time thinking about what you are grateful for about the person, put their photograph in front of you, and with a pen and a notebook or on your computer, choose the 5 things you are most grateful for. Look at the photograph of the person as you make your list of 5 things. Begin each sentence with the magic words thank you. Address the person by their name and then write what you are grateful for. So you can, I don't know, say something like, thank you, Samuel, for being a good husband. Thank you, Kathy, for being a wonderful daughter. Thank you, whoever you feel like addressing your gratitude to, until bia you're grateful for. Funny photograph. Me, what I did was I chose few of the people I was grateful for when I was on this day, and I'm a compiling or more pictures. So I had like 3 pictures of few people, and I make compile it, and then I put their photo as my screensaver for a day or 2 off until whenever you feel like I'm doing that. I also saved the photo, and so I am and I said thank you for being supportive, thank you for being a good friend, thank you for being this, thank you for being that. And so that's the practice of the day. Trust me, do this and because sometimes because as in the beginning author and kaya no say ye no magic na yisane say ewo ho no I disappear, and so I be cry no irritated, right? And so doing this practice no, it helps you to think of enyoma papa nipa so ewo wa brabom no omo ye ma enyoma ema wenije, and so you own koruni a nice relationship just because you are stressed outside of that relationship. Maybe a juma in many aspects of your life you are stressed, and so but so your practice it helps a lot. And so try and do this. It doesn't matter say be a for a partner or for your friends or for your children or for whoever you feel like doing it. It is really important. So that's all for today. Kindly share this channel with your loved ones and your friends, and let's grow together. So I'll be looking forward to your feedbacks. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.